live for fame. Yeah.
In that fast rig. Followed up by Eli Fowler, Mike Dennett in third. Dylan Smith putting on a clinic here. Lap 1 in the books, making that big turn down there. Mike Dennett still in third place. Eli Fowler still in second place. Here comes Duke Bohannon in fifth. He's bringing it up fast. 1 lap down. We're moving into lap 2 action right now. Dylan Smith still holding the lead. Got that Can-Am up front. Look at him, air that baby out. Come on, Dylan. Good driving. Hairpin turn. He's putting a little bit of distance on Eli Fowler now. Uh-oh. It may be Dylan Smith may have a little bit of problems there. Coming in, he's closing in on 4th place right now. Can he get him in the turn? Oh! Red flag, red flag. Bohannon can't quite make it to the turn. That's going to put Eli Fowler out in front. Dylan Smith with some kind of problem in the gearbox. They've already got Duke rolled back over. Yellow flag right here. We'll have to do a restart. Mike. For this particular mud race for the kids here young. He's in the left. Trucks going head to head. In the 4 lane. Heads up, unlimited mega truck. All right, anybody want to put any more in the kid donation? way in the lead. Jamie Spillers has called him, ran him down. Looks like Sean P has got a mechanical. Wild Country Off-Road. So far, he's down into turn one. Let's see if he can hug that toe. He does. Makes a great turn around the big tire down there. He's got to get it lined up, though, for the big double jumper. It's hard for me until they get a little bit closer to the tower to see who the leader is. Looks like Eli is in the early lead, followed up by Duke Bohannon, then Dylan Smith, then Mike Denton. That's going to be your top four right now. Everybody chasing Eli Fowler. Look at Duke Bohannon airing that machine out. Dylan Smith trying his best to get up there and pass. Oh, we got a rollover. We got a rollover. I can't see her if he hit the berm or what. It's hard for me to see all the way from one end to one. Sandbagged is what I just got told. Okay. We'll get there. Everybody out there to look after him. That'll put us on a full course caution. And you just saw it. Dylan Smith goes from last to first in the whole lap. Now he's a man on a mission out of Gulfport, Mississippi. Look at that bad boy machine. It's a K&N BRP. He's got something to prove after breaking that belt in round one. Now he's your current leader. He just went past Duke, Mike, Eli, all of them right in one stretch. Duke still in second. Mike Denton's in third. These guys have got something to prove here tonight to all their peers. It looks like Dylan Smith is still in the lead, but Duke, oh no, Duke rolls over again. I hate to see that. That puts Denton in second, Eli in third. That's gonna put us under caution one more time. Cameron Hawkins having some equipment problems. He's trying to get it fired back up. He's right at the end of the mud hole. He got out the jump, but then he had a pop. Don't know if he fouled a plug, but he is. about you guys, but I'm jazzed up right now. I'm telling you, this thing. Twisted Okie. That's coming up next.